For the new people here, the new viewers, the X19 owners, I restored a 79 124 Spider a couple years ago. A 20-year storage in the barn car came out full resto mod. We didn't take it original, we made it better. And then I've done another 124 Spider. I like this car better, style wise. It's more I like having a roof because of my bald head. I don't get sunburned. I don't like wearing hats. So, you know, it's one of those things. But I also, from time to time, am going to do things that you don't agree with. And that's fine. I say this a lot. Build it the way you want it. So, I'm going to build this the way I want it. When you look at this car, it's got two very serious design flaws. But you can thank U.S. transportation safety regulations for all that. But what am I talking about? The bumper is over 6 inches away from the car. I like the little bumperettes from the European model better. But I'm going to try a couple things. We're going to take it off and see how bad it looks. And we're going to weigh it. I've heard 51 kilos. So for Americans, that's 110 pounds. I don't think it's that heavy, but we'll find out. The other thing we can do is tuck it in. We can get a couple inches out of it easy. The good thing about this car, as opposed to the Spider, is both of the bumper bolts are accessible. On the Spider, the left-hand side is in between the frame and the gas tank, and you can't get it out unless you pull the gas tank up. On this one, it's right there, so we're going to just do it. It's a 22 millimeter. And if it's never been out, it's probably going to be a little sticky. This one is the kind of sorta I need you to come loose part. So, both of the shocks are loose. This thing should pull out. This thing is not 50 kilos at all. So a little trouble getting the rubber boot off. Not really. First I gotta clean this up because it's got some stuff on it. Get this at the dollar store or the 99-cent store or the $1.09 store or $1.07 or whatever it is you live. This is the easiest way to clean all this up. It doesn't hurt the paint. It's got a wax in it. Think of it as a cleaner, polisher, waxer all at one time. Okay, so not ready to go bumperless yet. If we're gonna do that, I mean, this isn't hard to pull. There's a couple screws holding it on, screws holding that on. The problem is we'd have to trim this bracket and make it flush. And I just don't want to do that today. So what I'm gonna do is drill out that shock on both sides and get that thing as close to the body as I can get it and see how it looks. So the last time I did this, I took the bumpers off, I broke them apart, drilled them out from the back, compressed them, and then welded them back together. I think for this experiment, we're gonna do it the easy way. So it's under pressure a little bit. I put some furniture polish on the shocks, help them slide a little bit easier. Ow! We should be at about 6 inches from where we were. Yeah, cool. It's pushing this up a little bit. I might even be able to get it to go inside. Let's try it. Okay, so we were +6. 4.5. So tucked it in 2 inches. So I think with this gap, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. Out some. There we go. It's not in bad shape. Okay, I like that. Now, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And you got these little plastic clippies in them. We're going to, ah! That was fun. And if this is your first time, socket cap bolts. These are 3/16 stainless. So now we're an inch off. So taking that plastic thing off bought us 1/4 of an inch. So we were +6. Now we're just +4. So we sucked it in more than 2 inches.
Sick.
And I kind of like that. This looks okay to me. Except for the part where the fucking thing was spitting oil out, but hey. Well, let's put it this way. When it's time to delete the rear, you have to cut the structural box flush because it sticks out about a 1/2 inch past this sheet metal. And then there's a gaping hole
that you'll have to fill.
That you'll have to fill or fabricate some sort of cover. Flat cover.
You saved at least 3 ounces taking that plastic off.
It's not that heavy. I didn't weigh it, but this is not 50 kilos. Together they're not 50 kilos. It's all aluminum. So I mean it's pretty light. Not like that 124 bumper, which is fucking solid steel. That son of a bitch was every bit of 80 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
It's heavy as hell. But this one, no, it's all right. It's all right.
All right, man. I'm gonna go take care of business.
All right.
I'll be back.
Take care of your business.
Yes, sir.
I like this stainless better than the old rusted flathead. So that's all for today. I know the front is not going to be as simple as the back, but we'll get to the front. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. GoPro, stop recording.